Hi, my name is Renae Brandt, and thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. I'm excited to share why I'm applying for the Operations Insights Analyst position and how my experience in loan servicing, analytics, and process improvement aligns with the work your team is doing across Farm Credit Services of America, AgCountry, and Frontier Farm Credit. I've always been someone who wants to understand the why behind the numbers. In every role I've had, whether in accounting, law, or now loan servicing, I naturally gravitated toward analyzing data, finding patterns, and improving workflows. At Farm Credit Services of America, I support complex real estate restructures, but over time I also became the person teammates and leaders reached out to when they needed dashboards, production reports, or help understanding trends in Salesforce. I've been working on my MBA in analytics, and being able to practice those skills on real projects allowed me to contribute to my team in a much bigger way. The dashboards and reports I built supported better decision making, highlighted process gaps, and helped improve overall efficiency. That reinforced how much I enjoy analytics and how meaningful it is when data helps move a process or a team forward. This role feels like a natural step where I can apply those skills more directly and support operations at an enterprise level. A core part of this role is translating complex operational data into insights, and that's already a major part of my work. This dashboard tracks workload distribution across the loan servicing team. Leaders use it to identify imbalances, plan staffing, and understand shifts in volume across request types and region. Here is another example. This tool analyzes action weights and seasonality, showing which servicing actions took the most time and when demand increased. It helped guide discussions about workload expectations and resource planning. I also built a quarterly production report using Salesforce and Excel Power Query to visualize trends across multiple states. This report helped leadership quickly see volume shifts and seasonal patterns. One project I'm proud of is a process efficiency study on real estate actions. These have the longest turnaround times. I mapped the workflow, identified gaps, and used probability modeling to estimate realistic completion times. This helped set clearer expectations and support better communication within retail. And because I enjoy connecting external data to operational performance, I built this regression model analyzing how changes in USDA farm income correspond with non-accrual loan activity. It supported credit risk discussions and reinforced how economic shifts affect portfolio performance. If selected for this role, my first priority would be learning the workflows within each operations team. Accurate insights start with understanding what's happening behind the numbers. I'd work closely with leaders to define KPIs, standardize metrics, and make sure our dashboards and reports are aligned with what matters most to each team. Then my focus would be building tools that tell a clear story. Dashboards that help answer strategic questions, highlight performance patterns, and support decisions related to staffing, capacity, and productivity. And because communication is just as important as in analytics, I'd make sure the data is presented in a way that's easy to understand and meaningful for each audience. I genuinely believe in the mission of serving rural America. Growing up and working in Western Nebraska, agriculture has always been a big part of my life. Working at Farm Credit has shown me how important strong operations and strong data are for both our customers and our teams. This role aligns perfectly with what I enjoy doing, solving problems, improving processes, and bringing order and clarity to complex information. I'd be excited to bring that mix of analytical skills and operational experience to a role that supports farm credit. Thank you again for watching my presentation. I love the opportunity to talk more about how my background in analytics, operations, dashboard development, and process improvement can support your team and mission that we serve together. Thank you for watching.